So now we're down Buckeye Furnace. We are approaching. The little dog in front of Katie is our new friend. We're calling him Buckeye. He's leading us to the furnace. This is so cool. I want to go see what that is over there. Okay, Stockyard. The upper area of the furnace complex was known as the Stockyard. Here, the raw materials were delivered, stockpiled, sorted, graded. When the Buckeye Furnace was operating, this area bustled with activity as teamsters delivered and unloaded their cargoes of limestone, iron ore, and charcoal. A little bit about the furnace or the forest. Let's go see this building. What? I'm gonna get over there in a minute. I just wanted to read those signs. Those signs have all kinds of interesting information about how these were used.
I'll tell you how to work it.
This must have been something they used. Hello, little dog. Charcoal.
Because each ton of iron produced
Oh, sure. See if I can get a picture of this thing. It's kind of cool looking. Okay. Oh, jeez. This is really neat. Look what this cool thing is. Oh. Try to take a picture of this really quick. Sorry, my camera's on turned crazy like. Interesting stuff. Very interesting. This pile of rock? I do not know. And this sign talks about limestone. Limestone was used as a flux when it was heated in the furnace along with the iron ore and charcoal. The limestone combined impurities to form hot pastry mass known as slag, which floated on the molten iron. It seemed like it was a lot of work that they did. Cool building though. Bridge Loft charging house. This area of the furnace complex known as the Bridge Loft or charging house spanned the distance of the cliff on the top of the furnace and provided access to the tunnel head. The tunnel head was the opening at the top of the furnace stone stack through which the iron, limestone, and charcoal was fed into the furnace. The bridge loft also contained the boilers, to power the steam engine, hot blast ovens used to heat the blast air. Interesting. Let's go take a look at this. Wow. Is this where they fed it at? This might be. I bet it was. Because it said they fed it. What goes this way? What goes this way? Walks around it.
Other than me walking around it.
Okay, so let's go see what's this way. Cold and hot blast iron making. I'm not going to read all of that. Hot blast, 3,000 tons of iron a year, 3.79 cords of wood, or 137 bushels of charcoal per ton of pig iron, 11,370 cords of wood per year, 7,890 ton of iron ore a year, 411 ton of limestone a year. Cold blast, 2,000 ton of iron per year, 5.84 cords of wood, or 215 bushels of charcoal per ton of pig iron, 11,680 cords of wood a year, 5,260 cords of iron a year, 274 tons of limestone a year. That sounds like a lot. But what do I know? I have a flashlight on my new phone. I do not know. I don't have a clue. I can't really, there's nothing really to see there, but it just looks cool. See if I can take a picture again. Sorry, my hand's getting in the way probably. And I turned my camera all crazy like again. Ooh, what is this hanging down? They load the stuff in this and drop it in there? Perhaps? It's a hangy down thing. It looks like a swing, Katie. You wanna sit in it?
Let me sit in it.
Don't sit in it. Let me take a picture first.
Okay. Look. A rock.
It looks like a swing, kind of, don't it? It looks really cool, whatever it is.
I like this metal.
We need to go down to the bottom and look down there, too.
I think you can go down.
It's supposed to be the wagon type deal that they use to... Holy cow, we're up high-ish. This must be the wagon thing they used. Wow. Charging the furnace. Ooh, what is this? I hear people talking. Charging the furnace required back-breaking labor during a 24-hour period. Workmen had to measure a load into the furnace, such as 57,600 pounds of iron ore, 800 bushels of charcoal, 1,900 pounds of limestone. About 12 hours after the process began, the molten iron was drawn from the furnace in the casting house on the lower level. Jeez, that was a lot of work. I didn't read it all, but wow. Here's what the end of it looks like right there. Trap door. Cool little chain hoodie here. This is so cool. We need to look at it from the bottom now. This is very cool. Alright. We'll head down and look down there now. Alright, so now we're down below the Buckeye Furnace. Holy cow, this is amazing. This sucker is huge. We were just up there in that top. Very, very top is where we were. Wow. This is so cool.
I like the ball. Wow, an acorn hat.
I'm more excited about this furnace. It is awesome. Thing is huge. It does. Get a picture of this really quick on my cell phone, if I can get my phone to work. Hopefully I don't do all kinds of crazy stuff with my camera while I'm taking a picture. Katie, do you... Whoa, that's not what I want to do. How do I turn it around? There we go. Katie all the time got to get right in the middle of the way, so she just wants to be in the pictures. There's a path. Go down that way. There's a little trail to the right. It's leaf covered. I'm going to put my camera down for a second so I can try to figure out how to work this stupid... I don't want to zoom. I broke my camera. Just keep going. You'll see it. Now I can't get my camera to work on my cell phone. What did I do? Lincoln? Will you see if you can get my camera to work on my phone?
Have you broken your camera?
I don't know. I think I have broken my camera. Alright. That was a waste of a few minutes there.
There we go.
Can you take a picture of that in there?
What?
Take a picture right there for me, will you? I don't even know if we're supposed to be back here, but,
No, I'm supposed to take pictures for you, but I did it. Here you go.
you don't want to be my
You
picture
switched to
taker?
panorama mode.
I don't know how I switched to that. There's a cool
There's also a
little,
pro
look at the
mode you can
pipe up
switch to.
there.
Yeah.
See the pipe up
Yes,
there?
indeed I do. There's also a pro mode on your camera.
Okay.
And also video.
I know there's a video. Wow. I kind of feel like a midget walking beside this big thing. Look at these little hooks sticking out there. You see them, Lincoln? Right there, the metal thing. See it?
Oh, that thing.
Straight
I
up
feel
there.
something like good. Look at it.
Wow. It's really windy. This is so cool.
Hello.
Hello, niece Katie. What's happening?
Pretty nice in there. Oh my
I know.
Sand.
Oh.
Did Bonnie make it here yet? Oh. Whoa. Oh, jeez. This is gonna be shaky probably, like crazy. Whoa. Look at the front of it, Lincoln. Did you see this?
It's
This
ripped
is-
open too.
This is awesome.
Probably go inside the.
Yeah, I don't think it would be a good idea. It is ripped open. Wow. Looks like some of the rocks are like falling away there or something. Oh, look at the big wheel thing. What in the world? Casting. During the cast, 8 to 12 men were required to perform various jobs before, during, and after each cast. 7 basic steps were required. Currently, these are the 7 steps. Nice. Does that say what? I really want to know what this big wheel is. I don't even know if I can get this all in the picture to take a picture of it. Because the wheel is so big.
Or spin it.
Does it spin?
Yeah, it's locked up.
Is it locked up?
Yeah, the chain up there.
Yeah.
We can't. Other than that, it's spinnable.
Wow.
It's not movable at all.
It's like a Wheel of Fortune wheel. Just kidding.
Okay, it is movable.
Look at this. This is kind of neat. Historic type stuff. Okay, the engine house. Oh, that was the flywheel. Haha, I assume. The engine turned a 15-foot flywheel that operated the 2 large blowing tubes. 3. Huh. Hey, Lincoln! I believe that big wheel we saw is called a flywheel.
Flywheel?
I believe so. Because if you read that sign, it talks about a flywheel.
That we're there.
Unless that's the flywheel.
I don't know, but I'm playing.
Well, I need to see this thing that you were playing with. My crazy niece. Whoa. Dang. This is really cool too.
I'm trying to get this to
Does this spin?
No.
This can't be the flywheel because this ain't 15 foot. The flywheel said it's 15 foot. So this can't be the flywheel. This has to be something else.
Yep.
What are these little dangle balls? I don't know what they're called, but
Handles?
I don't know, but
Here's a lever.
Katie, get out of the way for a second, please. I take picture. Wow.
Big ol' rock.
What's inside this?
This is so
What's
cool.
inside there?
Does this do anything here?
I think it's supposed
Was
to
it like a
loosen it so it
brace?
moves.
Can I see this?
Yes. I don't know how if you're trying to find how my light works, I don't know how. That looks like something that would almost be like open up and like a nutcracker kind of deal.
I feel like
But these
this
are
is-
like gears
these
though.
move.
These are
Watch.
gears. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm moving this thing now.
What thing are you moving?
I'm moving
Oh,
that.
do it again, let me see.
Watch.
Hold on, wait, let me get over here. Oh, it does move it.
And I'm moving another piece too.
We're gonna get in trouble. What did you take?
That's the inside of
I feel
that.
like this wasn't supposed to move.
Sweet.
Alright, the flash, you see, alright, see this one here?
I'm not looking for a
That little
flash. I was
light
looking for the camera. Dingy.
There you go.
Or not the camera. I was looking for a light. Like a flashlight.
There's one, there's one.
Oh. This is supposed to go.
What is this?
We're gonna warp this thing.
I just want this to
I really need a flashlight. I don't know.
There's a flashlight there, thing.
Oh, hey.
Where?
Find out where this piece goes.
Why are you yelling at me? Oh,
How this works.
Don't know.
that's nothing. I thought it
I
was.
will click.
See, Lincoln, this piece goes right here, where it's all rusted.
Oh.
This is all rusted, so it's not gonna move much.
Yeah, but I've been trying.
This thing is thin, it's,
I feel like I must inspect every piece of this. Oh. Look at this, Katie. Katie, look.
Oh,
A spinny hoodoo.
a spinny hoodoo.
We probably should stop spinning and touching and
What if it accidentally
twisting and turning everything, but we really need to stop. We're terrible. Sorry.
So much for the no touch rule with you guys.
Huh?
So much for the no touch rule with you guys.
Yeah, we're terrible. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Did it say do not touch?
guys, there's supposed to be something inside there.
All these things fuel.
Wow. Alright.
We're gonna have to go get some gas.
Pretty much seen everything there is in this little area. But this is really cool.
Better than cobwebs.